Hi friends and our respected sir. A very good morning to you all. I would like to introduce myself. I am Neerajesh Taubale and I will speak a few words on street food. First of all, I am a total foodie and I love street food. The concept of street food has become popular over the world in the mid 80s when the first self-service burger shop was opened. This legacy is going on with a lot of acceleration till today. Nowadays, it has become popular with a new name that is fast food. Now let's talk about India. In India, there's a huge variety of cuisines and the street food also differs from place to place. Now let's start from the north. Consider Punjab. The delicacies like chole bhature, makai ki roti and sarson ka saag have originated from Punjab and now they have spread all over the world and become famous as street food. The most famous bhel, which is a mixture of puffed rice, onion, tomato, peanuts, coriander, with a jibe of lemon to it, has originated from the Uttar Pradesh. It is one of the most cheapest and tastiest food worldwide. Our capital, Delhi, is also famous for its chaat, which has varieties like pani puri, aloo chaat, papdi chaat, palak chaat, dahi vada, etc. The above items add a zing to your taste, and you cannot stop relishing it once you place it in your mouth. Let's move on. The world famous dhokla, fafda, jalebis, khaman dokla, etc. have been gifted to the world by Gujarat. These items make you feel heavy even after having a small portion. More important, all these items are served with a tangy papaya chutney which enhances its taste. It's getting more interesting as we move on. Indore, it has gifted us the bhutta or the makka kees, which is grated corn sprinkled with chaat masala, lime, and onion and tomato, and topped with coriander. It is also very yummy, but has not gained much popularity. So sad. There is a special street for only street food in Indore. This shows the devotion to street food Indians have. Let's move down. And here comes my motherland, Maharashtra. There is a huge variety of street food in Maharashtra as follows. Sabudana vada, thalipeeth, the world famous and very pocket friendly vada pav, the Kothimir vadi, the Puneri misal which one can never leave, the Pandra Tamda Rassa for the non-veggies and the Kombadi vade, etc. All these items are extremely tasty and cheap and yes, they are fulfilling and satisfying. Mumbai has gifted the whole world the Pav Bhaji, which is a spicy smash of vegetables like potato, tomato, capsicum, cauliflower, peas, etc. into a gravy which is accompanied by two pieces of pav or bread which is buttered on both the sides and served with chopped onion, lemon slices and coriander sprinkled on top. It is the most tastiest and fulfilling street food in the world through my vision. I am getting a little hungry, but let's continue. The South. It gave us the world famous masala dosa, idli, vada, sambar, chutney, appam, and also the onion uttappam. All these items are very scrumptious and fulfilling. They are also cheap. The other parts of our country has also gifted us with varieties of street food, but which have not become famous. So unfortunate. When we think of street food, burgers, pizzas, pastas, frankies, etc. only come to our mind. But there's a lot to that word which we don't know or we don't desire to know. The best thing about street food is that it is tasty, very cheap, fulfilling, and yes, somewhat calorie increasing, but which is must for us. Street food comes as a savior to a lot of population like bachelors, students, businessmen, employees, extremely tired housewives, very hungry kids, and bored of having the same taste husbands. Street food is not a word, but it's an idea which has helped the world to adapt to different lifestyles, hectic schedules, and terrific rush in the local trains. Some people consider street food as unhygienic and unhealthy, but I ask them, have you ever entered the kitchens of the hotels and restaurants used dining? It may be unhygienic in some shops, so it is our duty to choose the right one. on being unhealthy, it is not always the same. It may be the latter if we just survive on it, but it is also energy giving and stomach satisfying. Everybody may have a different opinion on it, but I consider it to be the savior at the high times when we are very hungry. It is the most fulfilling food with most cheapest price. It is the best food for the common man who doesn't have much time for having lunch. On the last note, I would say that even if you think it is healthy or unhealthy, it's hygienic or unhygienic, and more, but just try to taste it once, and I am sure you will fall in love with its taste. Okay, thank you all for listening. I would give a small advice that before eating any street food, recite the shloka. वदनी कवळ घेता नाम घ्या श्री हरीचे सहज न होते नाम घेता पुकाचे जीवन करिजे वितवा अन्न हे पूर्ण ब्रह्म उदर भरण नो हे जाणीजे यज्ञ कर्म and it will pay your respect to the food and I'm sure that you will also like it. Thank you.